Well, welcome back, everyone. As this market comes into the close for this week, I am super excited about how we're finishing because at the very beginning of this week, using the TRP Toolkit strategies developed by 33-time international domestic trading champion Rob Hoffman, this toolkit helped set the stage for how this week is likely to play out. And let me show you how we communicated that to the entire Active Trader Room student family. Here you go. On Monday, live in front of the Active Trader Room students, I come in and always provide a view on the twists and turns on the week using the SPY as a transmission mechanism. What are the swings likely going to be? And we have a plan A and a plan B. Plan A, we go from last Friday's continuation rise to push up into the top of this red line here, which is a longer term 2 standard deviation channel, try to break it potentially, and then come down and test this red line at 594, all contained likely between Monday and Wednesday, have a dead cat bounce up off 594, and then break down and find ourselves in the mid 580s. Now, if you take a look at the price action of this market in real time into the end of the day, you can see that we're getting right into the last half hour now. Well, there's Monday. Didn't get the break above the top of that channel and a run, but we did end up coming up and seeing the market make a high, an all-time high, of course, on the backs of the election. And you can see it's at that $600 and about 17-20 penny-ish mark. From there on, we had our pullback. We came down to 594. Look at the right-hand side there on the scale. And we had our dead cat bounce up. We had some indecision. And then we followed through with a breakdown right through that 594 area. And we find ourselves today at a low, coming down in the midpoint of the day to a low of 583 and about 86 pennies. And a little bounce up off that low. Now, this is how we communicated to market participants within our Active Trader Room on Monday that this is the likelier outcome using the TRP toolkit. Knowing that the signal structure on the daily chart gave us a negative divergence at that higher high, implying less likelihood that we make that target one, more likely to have to pull back down to the channel that's rising. And the 4-hour chart that casts its signal out 3 to 5 days told us very clearly that we had some selling likely to begin with those momentum crossover lines coming down. And the rest was history. Now, this is something that is so powerful for active traders. Why? The market move is over 50% of the equation. If you get the market and the space right, typically that's about 80% of the directional decision for short-term swing traders, day traders alike. I did a session on Wednesday, this past Wednesday, and folks told me that they want more. I'm coming back tomorrow. It is my pleasure to invite you tomorrow morning, Saturday, November the 16th. So again, that's tomorrow morning, Saturday, November the 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That would be 7 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Central. I'm doing an educational session just for you to build on the strategies you heard me share with you back on Wednesday and add more definition, add more clarity to help us all overcome some of the biggest challenges traders face, like feeling overwhelmed, being confused, not having an ideal entry, not understanding how long a trade is likely going to last, and not managing risk well or the exits. I can't wait to share my insights with you. Go to becomebettertrader.com/yes and get your seat now. And I'll see you tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.